All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the back. You guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that type of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah, let's get it. Another great area and another yard sale right here on the right. Wish me luck, because I already stopped at 4 and I have no luck. All right, having fun over here for sure. Community yard sale. I don't know how many I've stopped at, but I stopped at a shitload already. I'm about to stop at a few more, as you can see in front of me. So let me get back to it and find some treasure. Welcome back, everyone. Ended up going to a lot of yard sales, I'll tell you that much right now. A lot of items I'm about to share with you guys and gals. If you see anything here that you're interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time, at full throttle, and we can discuss a price. But anyways, first things first, Terminator 2 DVD, cross, pen and pencil. Now I gotta go fast. As you saw, there is a lot here. Here, an Italian 925 silver. The sandal is not silver. Cool little A-like watch. Another watch by Fossil. Tap to begin, digital. Another watch by Wenger, brand new. Little toggle switch. Top Gun. Thrust Master. Oh, my fault. Hit you off the thingy there. Okay, next item, Airlink 101. Here you go. Another great item, vintage Panasonic cassette player. Off to the right, you've probably seen that. The Nintendo with the hook game. Also have the wires and 2 controllers. No gun. It's over here. Too much clutter, as you can see. So where am I over here? Another Fossil watch, women's. It's not gold. Here's another thing. I forgot about this thing. A little fitness band. Canon. What's this one? The ELPH 17 IS. Nice little camera right there. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off. Another camera by Rico. Old school. Camcorder. This one's a JVC. I believe it takes 8mm film. Let's see where I'm going here. I did that. How about we go with the art photo there? Art used to be a sign, but anyway, somebody put stickers all over it. That was pretty cool. Hang it up in the shop. Go down here, some fishing spool, reel spools, brand new. EF to 65, and I got an EF 50. To the right, only paid $1. It's a dentist motor. It's supposed to be a drill, but it's missing the drilling part of it. It didn't smoke, but it made a smell, so I gotta check that out. Another camcorder, 8mm, I believe, high 8. Man, I'm all over the place. Vintage, authentic Harley Davidson with the buttons, leather wallet. It's missing the chain, but it's in really good condition. Nothing's ripped. Blah blah blah. Good to go. Shout out to the remote squad. I always grab remotes in case you come across something that doesn't have a remote. Like this Technics that I grabbed yesterday as well. Doesn't have a remote, but in the future, or whatever, you get what I'm saying. Thing about that is a DVD player, Konya. That one does have the remote right there. Let me go back here. I think I missed a few things. Right here, vintage PSI Grade 8 Lone Ring with the box. I think I did that. I didn't do these remotes. These are Kia remotes. I always grab remotes as well, especially the newer ones. People are always looking for a spare or an extra or whatever it may be. Got a couple of corks. It's for a few things that I have laying around over there. Needs a cork in it. Right here, Game Boy with Pokemon game. Great condition. Not great condition. Actually, has some scratches, but I meant to say great working condition. Above that, you got 3 games for Game Gear, NBA Jams, The Simpsons, Space Mutants, and Mortal Kombat. Alright, to the right of that, this is an interesting little box. These here, I already tested that. That's nothing. But I have here silver. These are all silver. I have here gold filled. And I have here 14 karat gold earrings. And I have to test out those rocks to see if they are diamonds or not. Shout out to the TI 108 calculator. Also, go off to the second area. More cameras. Another 8mm, old school, with some extra batteries. Old school Canon Elf Jr. Believe it or not, people are still grabbing these. This one's pretty cool. You can put your film on down here. And then lastly is the Nikon camera. These are being bought out as well online. People like taking photos with those old cameras. Actually, I have one more item. I'll show you that. It's actually made by Klipsch. It's a 10-inch subwoofer for your entertainment system. So, as you can see, I got mess everywhere. There's the wires for the Nintendo. So, it was a busy day yesterday and today. These are items from yesterday and today. I don't think I said anything about, I think this is Leonardo, no weapons. I gotta check, see if that's an oldie. Let me see. Yep, it is. 1986. I think it says 1986. Nice. Or 88. Regardless. Original. I think I got everything. Let me double check. Oh, did I mention this? Probably not. Samsung. What is this called? The Mini DV. For the digital camcorder. That's right. Another camera. Canon Rebel. Highly demandable. Still, believe it or not. It takes fracking film. And people still want these things. A couple of flashes. Wireless remote for that. I think that's it. I gotta get going, guys and gals. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video, checking out this yard and garage sale haul video. Appreciate it. Until the next one, you guys and gals have a good one. Cheers.